Dear students, in this video, let's start chapter number 2, Chemical Bonding. Before starting the chapter, one should know why do atoms combine. Students, atoms combine in order to become stable. Here stability means either to attain duplet rule or octet rule. Duplet rule states that an atom is stable if it has 2 electrons in the last shell, and that is the first shell, for example helium. On the other hand, octet rule states that an atom is stable if it has 8 electrons in the last shell. Now let's define chemical bond. Chemical bond is defined as the force of attraction that binds 2 atoms together in a molecule in order to attain nearest stable electronic configuration of noble gases. Now let's discuss the different types of chemical bond. Basically there are 3 types of chemical bond. One is electrovalent bond, also known as ionic bond. Second, covalent bond, also known as molecular bond. And third is coordinate bond, also known as dative bond. So one by one we will discuss each type of bond. So first one, electrovalent bond. Definition of electrovalent bond: bond which is formed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another is known as electrovalent bond. It is also known as ionic bond as there is a formation of positive and negative ion in a compound. Now let's take an example of NaCl. NaCl atomic number 1 has electronic configuration 2, 8 and 1. In order to become stable, it will lose one electron and form a positive ion having configuration 2 and 8. This positively charged sodium ion is known as cation. Same way, the electron which sodium has given, that is gained by chlorine in order to become stable, as chlorine in the neutral phase has electronic configuration 287. After gaining electron, it becomes stable and has electronic configuration 2, 8 and 8. This negatively charged ion is known as anion.